Welcome to the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in black. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trail Boss, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, integrated trailer braking, dual-zone climate control, shifter can be found here in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors, Z71 badging on the fenders, Duramax badging on the hood. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked out bow tie in the center of the grille, Z71 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Side steps are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Trail Boss logos on either side of the box. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into both sides of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing package is installed. Silverado, blacked out bow tie, and LT badging can all be found here on the multi-flex tailgate. Heading back inside the Silverado, back seats here are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the truck, and here in the center console, we have 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.